Tonight you're mine completely. You give your love so sweetly. Tonight, tonight the light of love is in your eyes, my darling. But will you love me tomorrow? Is this a lasting treasure or just a moment's pleasure? Can I believe the magic of your sighs, my darling? Will you still love me tomorrow? Tonight with words unspoken, you said that I'm the only one. But will my heart be broken when the night meets the morning sun? I'd like to know that your love is just a love unsure of. So tell me now, and I won't ask again, my darling. Will you still love me? Will you still love me? So tell me now, and I won't ask again.